Hey, hi, Blammers.
Sub 200. Really? Sub 200. Yeah. It's taken a bit of a correction, but it's the reality of what's going on in the financial sector. See that big bucket again? I do. I don't believe it. No, I don't believe it. No, I think you're right. I said I'd never buy some, but I did. But you know, it was beautiful Freestyle. I love it. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. I bought a 5712 from you. You did? Yeah. I absolutely love, and fortunately.
No grabbing.
So today I'm on dad duty with Honor. He's progressing a lot. Very eager.
Open up. You gotta tilt your head back, man. It's good. It's good, man. No grabbing. Gotta be patient. You like the carrots and mangoes?
That's not right.
You gonna feed yourself, huh?
Okay, you guys come in on the follow laws.
Wow. You singing?
That's 10 minutes fast. Life of a Blammer starts early sometimes. Packing these school lunches for baby girl. For recess and after school programs and all that and whatnot. Food camp. Cheeseburgers tonight. Just mixed a fresh batch of soil. These are some of the ingredients that's going into my hole I just dug. So we're gonna fill this hole here. We dug it up. The soil was very coarse and clay-like, kind of hard, like cement and gravel. Once we dug the hole out, we added 3 gallons of water and let that soak down to the surface. Now we're gonna fill the hole with this special mix we came up with. And we're gonna see how all these things turn out. Rare terpenes, life of a Blammer. See, we have the hole filled with our soil mixture we just put together. Now all we got to do is add some life.
We on the go again. Come on, man. Y'all know how I do it. With the apricot jelly on the raisin bagel. Brunch time. Life of a Blammer.
I just checked my mailbox. Appears we got a letter from the Los Angeles Police Department. And it states, the department completed the investigation into your complaint regarding the conduct of an employee of the Los Angeles Police Department that was reported on March 23rd, 2021. Your investigation consisted of reviewing relevant department documentation, interviewing witnesses when possible, watching body-worn video footage and/or digital in-car video evidence if available, and inspecting the location of occurrence for evidence if necessary and possible. Your allegation that an employee took law enforcement action against you because of your race has been classified as unfounded, which means that the investigation determined the allegation did not occur as you described. Although this resolution may not be to your satisfaction, we appreciate you for bringing this matter to our attention. It is the goal of the Los Angeles Police Department to provide the highest level of quality service for every member of the community. And that's some bullshit, man. Get internal affairs on this mess. So basically, March 23rd, 2021, I was followed by the LAPD and cited unlawfully for speeding in the Audi. It's some bullshit. I was doing like 30 in a 40-mile zone. They said I was doing 46 miles an hour. Lying, you know, had the little speed gun, probably pointed it at another car and blamed me for that nonsense. It's crazy. I beat the ticket anyway. I ain't have to pay that nonsense. Fought it in court. The guy showed up, silly guy. He didn't even bring his notes or the recording from the speeding gun, none of that. So that shit got thrown out. Blammin. Just pulled up to Audi Pacific. Gotta get my MMI checked out. The app isn't syncing with my vehicle, so I can't get alerts and check different type of things that I normally could do with the app. So I'm gonna have a salesperson or a tech assist me with that today, because this is very annoying and an inconvenience.
I'm chasing that dough, I'm stacking my bread and running them bands up. I'm chasing that dough, I'm stacking my bread and running them bands up. I'm chasing that dough, I'm stacking my bread and running them bands up. If you bout your money, then get your damn hands up. Time is money, that's why I'm checking my schedule. She's a sapiosexual, don't waste that oyster perpetual. I got that white ivory like an elephant tusk. I pull up in that Tesla, bitches think I'm Elon Musk. Haters ashy like elbows, hell froze on Melrose. My bitch walk on 10 toes, I blow smoke out windows. They chasing that clout, getting in debt and run the advance up. I'm sticking my dick in her mouth and pulling my pants up. I'm real cynical when it comes to breaking down these syllables. Niggas looking pitiful, I'm not even at my pinnacle. But I re-rockin' the T-top with the heat cock at the weak spot. And it's hot as a teapot. I'm chasing that dough, I'm stacking my bread and running them bands up.
You see, the technology and the internet and all of this was supposed to be the wave of the future. But right now, it seems like the infrastructure is crashing and failing. Techs at Audi told me that this light is supposed to be green in order for my phone and car to communicate and pick up a signal. So obviously that's not green. So they gave me a number to call basically. So I'm gonna call the number and see what magic they can work. Your boy be doing Uber, man. Be grinding it out on the Uber Eats every now and then. That's my side gig. I got 10 jobs. So that's crashing. Just got off the phone with the tech team for Uber. They say they having some glitches in their system. Tell me why I was on the app the other night for 3 hours and only got 2 deliveries. Like, wasted all that time, bro. So basically the technology wasn't built right. Something's going on with these people's systems and all these algorithms, because this stuff is faulty, bro. Nobody want to waste their time doing that, or, you know, systems crashing, making customers irritated. Man. Y'all tech dudes, man, y'all need to get this stuff together, bro. For real. I know I ain't no technical engineer or nothing like that, but
There's room for improvement. I know that. All you niggas at Geek Squad, come on, man. Y'all put y'all heads together, man. Get all this situated, bro. There's a lot of areas for improvement right now. With all the struggles I'm facing with odd jobs and doing everything to make ends meet, it could deter a person, but it's really forcing me to lean into my entrepreneurship more and really stand by my businesses and, you know, make sure that all my money comes through my brands and what I got going on, all the irons I got in the fire. So I can't really be discouraged. It just makes me work harder and just keep grinding. Winter season, Blammin hot ENT, rare terpenes. It's gonna pop off, man. On a bigger scale. Yeah, Blam. And y'all niggas still hanging out in Beverly Hills, LA, and Hollywood. That shit played out, man. That shit worse than a Slauson swap meet. Anything bound to happen to you up in that joint. For real. But, hey, I mean, to each his own, man. Y'all be safe, though. Real talk. We gotta switch up our area codes now and surroundings. Be up in new environments, cause they burnt all that out, man. That shit done turned worse than South Central. That's supposed to be the rich part of town. Yeah, man, I mean, that last Quando Rondo incident, that was kind of the icing on the cake for me. These is out of towners. Shit, I live here. The hell? But yeah, bro, you gotta stay to yourself and just be about your business. Be about your paper. Cause you know, you don't wanna get caught up in the mix of some other drama or some thirsty folks that's just trying to rob you and make a quick sale. Have your shit on offer up and slang. So you gotta switch it up, you know? It's finna be a new year coming up. Yeah, Blammers. What's going on, Blammers? Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Hagerty. So today we're gonna be having some salmon, rice, and salad for dinner. I've already began seasoning the salmon, just lightly seasoning it right now with some garlic, salt, and I've already poured a little bit of lemon juice on top so that seeps in and marinates into the fish. And here we have some lemon pepper. This is good to add for that additional lemon flavoring that you're gonna achieve while baking this salmon. So that gives it its nice peppery appearance. And that's really all you need right there. So you take that and you just set it in the oven. Oven is just gonna set that to about 25 to 30 minutes. Here's our rice. I like my rice like I like my cocaine. White. All white. Yeah. Let that come to a boil and then turn the heat down to medium heat. Put the lid on top and let that cook for 15-20 minutes. There you have it, Blammers. Dinner is served. Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for updates about future cooking videos. Life of a Blammer. We out of here. This right here is my favorite fruit at the moment. It's my go-to. Let them sit out on the countertop for a few days to get soft, nice and ripe. Put it in the refrigerator. It's got this perfect sweetness and tartness to it. So bittersweet. Should be like a real exotic fruit, bro. Nectarines be on point. Man, Western Dental know they some dirtbags. Sent me this notice for a missed payment of 50 cents. How you miss 50 cents? Like, y'all got me on auto pay. I know I have 50 cents in there for y'all asses. Please like and subscribe so I can get Western Dental their money ASAP.